Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? I can't sing to save my life. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to JVLOGS. The name is Mark Plunkett. I know I've been missing action, missing for a while, about a week or two, but I'm here. I'm here today, and I'm here to talk about a special topic that's dear to my heart. Um, so let's jump right in. Oh, remember to subscribe and share for more. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been waiting on my videos, here I am again. I just want to say I appreciate each and everybody that subscribe and support me continuously. Remember, I still have the Gofundme campaign going and I still need help. I'm almost at $100 in the campaign. I have a long way to go. So that's about 20% of the campaign already. So I have a long way to go. So if you can support me to get a better camera. No, let me jump right into the topic. When God was making us, He made heart, He made bones, He made everything. And people had to join the line. Those long lines you see when you're going into the bank, it's the same when God was making us. All those babies lined up to collect their pieces. You see what I'm saying? Whether it be the finger, the eyes, the ear, everybody is unique and special in their own way. And that's how God made us. No. When God was made in the heart, He made a different heart. They were on a shelf. And God made a soft heart, and that's for females. Females' hearts are soft, and mushy and stuff. So yes, then God made the bad hearts, the bitter hearts, the hearts that are confused, if hearts can be confused. The hearts of giving, the heart of sharing, the heart of caring. So I think God gave me the heart of love and sharing and kindness. There's a little bitterness there sometimes, but the majority, the higher percentage, is the good part. And based on my lifestyle and the things I've done and do continuously, it's safe to say that God gave me a good heart, a kind heart, and a giving heart, which is good. I'm happy for that heart. Seemed like I collected a little bit, of the goodness that, He blessed us with. The reason why I said that is because oftentimes I find myself like caring for people, and there's lots of people around the world that care for people, genuinely care for people, and they want, people to be better. They want, they just want people in their circle or people in general just to be happy. So they'll do things for them, they'll care for them, they'll support them, financially, emotionally, whatever way they can support them, they'll support them. But you have people with bitter hearts, or people with hearts that don't care, that will take advantage of us, people with the good heart, the heart of sharing and caring. And oftentimes I find myself caring for people that frankly don't really deserve all of that. And I'm going to be, point blank. A lot of people don't deserve your love. A lot of people don't deserve your kindness. A lot of people don't deserve what you have. And the reason why I say that is because you will be loving, caring, and sharing with somebody that doesn't care about you. Not even a teeny bit. They don't care at all. They just use you, abuse you, and throw you by the wayside. And until we realize that and adjust and make things better, that's the only way we're going to protect our hearts. That's the only way you're going to protect yourself from getting hurt, from damaging your product. We have to be mindful of that on a day-to-day basis, because we encounter people on a day-to-day basis that we get attached to, that are in our circle, and we get so used to them, we start to care for them, and then they don't really care at all. They just hurt you. They say things to hurt you. They do things to hurt you with no remorse at all, and that can be damaging to an individual who is very caring and kind, and that is all they know. So you have to kind of be more versatile with your personality, with your life, and know that you're expecting to get hurt, but you're going to continue to love and care for people. But know who you love and care for, and do so much and no more. And when I say do so much and no more, if you're doing for somebody and they don't appreciate it, then do less. If you're doing for somebody and when you're in need of the same love or the same care, they can't even care for you, that doesn't add up. It doesn't make sense. It should be fair. It should be I love you, you love me. Love your brothers and sisters. It should be a case where if you can call me and check up on me, at least I can remember to call and check up on you. And if even if I don't call, I suppose I can message you and check up on you. It don't have to be constant, but it's just those random act of kindness. People are busy. I understand that people are busy. People have so much stuff going on in their life. But sometimes we have to reach out and love our sisters and brothers. We have to reach out and care for people. We have to support people. We have to be there for them. And people don't care. A lot of people don't care at all. So we have to be mindful of that. So all I'm trying to say is that if you have a soft heart and you know you're loving and caring and kind, be careful of how you distribute that love and that kindness. Be careful who you let into your circle. Be careful of all the bad people that are around you that is only there to damage you and only make you worse off. You see what I'm saying? So we have to be careful of that. And that is the message I want to leave with you for this video. So thanks for watching JVLOGS. If you have experienced any of that, or are in a situation where somebody is hurting you or trying to abuse you and take advantage of you, you can share in the comment, you can inbox me, you can talk about it, you can ask me for advice. I'll give you my advice, my personal opinion on it, and solution pretty much. So just stay safe, keep on giving, keep on loving, keep on sharing, but be mindful of that. So thanks for watching JVLOGS again. Support me. Just like how I say, keep on giving, loving, sharing, and support people that's there for you. Not to say that I'm really there for you, but if it's a worthy cause, then do it. Do it to the kindness of your heart first and foremost. Do less pity and just embrace and love people. So I just want to leave that with you. So thanks for watching JVLOGS again. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Stay safe. Love more, hug your family and friends, tell your parents you love them, tell your daughters, your sisters, your uncle, whoever it is, share, spread love and kindness throughout the world. And yeah, I'm going to end the video right there. So thanks for watching JVLOGS again. I really appreciate all of you. Mark Plunkett, I am out. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful?